Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily view someone's story without knowing it. So for doing this, just go to search tab in your Safari and just write Safari, anonymous story view. So now you can see, so for example this one, just open it. Now just tap on search tab and just write in the Instagram username user you want to view story. So for example Cristiano, and just tap on watch anonymously. So now just wait until it will successfully load this user and you will see story of this user. So just wait some time. Sometimes you just need to reload your page, so just tap on reload page if you wait too long. So now just submit you're not a robot, mountains or hills. So here you can see this user, and here you can see that this user add just two stories, so you can also open it. So just choose again you're not a robot, verify, and now you can also open and view stories of this user. So here you can see close, so just tap on close, and now just open another story. So this is the way how you can also do it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.